welcome back to my channel. This is so crazy. It's so long overdue. I'm sorry for the hiatus. I've been doing a lot of things and honestly just have not had time to film. Please excuse my appearance. I am looking fresh out of bed. But today I wanted to give you my New York City studio apartment tour. I just got the keys yesterday and I've been slowly moving a few things in at a time. It's completely empty, but I'm gonna try to show you guys what I can do with about 350 square feet. It's definitely gonna be a challenge. I've never lived in something this small before, but I'm super excited and I can't wait to show you. In the tour here, I have my rug that I'm gonna be putting up. And then I have this empty space area. Someone actually had a dresser here before. I'm thinking I may do like a full-length mirror, something there. I'm not entirely sure yet. We're working on that. First thing you see is this huge closet. It's actually gigantic. I've got a bunch of random odds and ends in there, bags full of all my different clothes when my dresser arrives. But this is a huge closet for an entryway. I mean, just gigantic. It also has some hooks here that I put up that I can hang my most worn coats and or bags and keys. Then on the left I have the bathroom. The bathroom is actually decently sized. I have beautiful sink, under drawers. I have pull out here along with a toothbrush holder and a soap holder, and then of course an outlet, thank God. Towel rack, toilet, super cool. And then the shower here. The shower is actually decently sized and also has some accessories here. Just put in a bath mat from Target. Really love this. And I actually really like the tile. It's kind of like old school New York tile, but I'm loving it. The only thing that's kind of weird is like this paper towel holder. I feel like is in a really strange place. But overall, really happy with the bathroom. Then we step out. There's like an alcove. So there's actually what looks to be like a fake wall put in. And then you have my eating kitchen. So I got brand new appliances, fridge, stove, and dishwasher. Please ignore the mess. They came to install the dishwasher and literally just left a mess. So I'm gonna have to clean it up. But you can see plenty of cabinet space as well as some lower space storage here. I also have a microwave hiding behind my bag. And then here's where we have like our eating kitchen area. It's actually pretty generously spaced. If I just move my big suitcase out of the way, you can definitely fit a table and at least 2 or 3 chairs in there, which I'm really excited about. The only weird thing for me is like, why are these outlets so high on the wall? Like, I'm not really sure what you would be plugging in that high up. But I'm thinking about doing a sort of rolling table here and then get some bar stools just so that I can kind of maneuver it according to how many people are here. Over here I have another closet. This is obviously a little bit more kitchen oriented. I have a bunch of bathroom stuff and just some reusable bags in here and my fun utility box. But it's actually pretty big when you look at it. It's got a decent amount of space. I can also hang up stuff here. So they're definitely giving me a generous amount of space. Into the living area, it's an alcove, like I mentioned. So it has this sort of like half moon. And this is an overview of the living area. So at first glance, I was nervous about this sealed up fireplace. I like the look of it. It just means that I only have one full wall to work with. And this wall has to be kind of, we got to figure it out. So I have 2 really big windows right there, which I love. They left an air conditioner for me, awesome. And what I have going so far is I'm gonna have my bed right here. I'm gonna try to leave a little bit of space so that I can use either this outlet or try to use that one to charge my phone or to have a nightstand. It may be a little switched around, but I think it'll work. I'm then gonna have a love seat that I have in my old apartment here. I'm hoping that it will line up correctly with the fireplace because I'm gonna be putting my dresser from IKEA right here. It's actually probably gonna fit perfectly in those 2 outer edges of the fireplace and then mount my TV up top. Actually, I don't even need to mount it. It has hooks that I can put there. I'll probably need an extension cord because it's gonna need to get plugged into there. But I think that will work tremendously. And then I do have a wardrobe that I thought about putting here. The more I look at the storage space, I'm starting to think I don't need the wardrober. The problem is that I need someone to get rid of it, so I need to come back to this. The only thing I do like the wardrober for is the shoe storage, as well as the storage of my other things, such as my luggage, any shoe boxes I have, big bags, just any sort of extra things that I might not be able to fit in those 2 closets there, because those 2 closets are meant for everything. So it's gonna be more than just clothes and things like that. It's gonna be like all my bathroom stuff, all my extra kitchen stuff. So that's the only reason why I'm not 100% sure about this wardrobe situation. And then I have this beautiful space right here. I'm thinking about putting a chair right here to accent along with the couch. And then on this side, haven't fully decided what I want to do yet. I was thinking about doing a clothing rack or something for aesthetically pleasing videos. To be honest, I'm not really sure. And then on this side, I most likely will have to keep it blank, just because I'm gonna need to use the outlet. My bed is actually gonna come up to probably about here, so I'm gonna need some space to walk around. I was thinking about doing just some sort of wall art, mirror plant sanctuary area over here or in this corner here. So we'll see. We've got plenty to work with. I'm just not 100% sure what we're doing yet. It's so hard to visualize something without the pieces actually in the apartment. I hope you guys enjoyed my apartment tour. Again, I apologize for like this appearance, but like I said, moving isn't a cute, fun thing to do. It freaking sucks, especially moving in New York because you don't have a car. You kind of are like doing this on your own. If you're me, like I'm a single lady living in the city. I don't have a ton of guy friends or a boyfriend or a husband to help me move, so one step at a time. I'm trying to be patient with myself, but I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know if you have any questions down below. I'm more than happy to answer questions. Obviously, I won't be answering questions about neighborhoods, location, etc., but I will say with this apartment and with a lot of the apartments that you'll see in New York, at least if you're living on your own, you will have to give up certain things. So for me, I no longer have laundry in my building. I no longer have an elevator. And those things were minor for me because I had a threshold of how crazy it could get. But this apartment has a dishwasher. It's actually pretty spacious. It's only 2 flights up. And the location for me is really close to grocery stores, work, the gym, etc. And to me, that's what I thought was important. To other people, it may be important to live in a very fun neighborhood. It may be important to live, you know, near these bars you're going out at or the subway or whatnot. But that was my criteria that I was looking for, and this fit what it was and was really not a headache to get for me, which was really great because the renting process can be such a bitch. And I'm sure anyone renting here can relate. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk to you all very, very soon.